I want it. So starting off with the build, I have this GK61 PCB kit. I got the ABS plastic version, and I got it for about 70 bucks on Banggood. It's a pretty good deal. You got your stabs, your plate, case, and everything. You basically only need your switches and the keycaps. So 70 bucks, that's a really good deal. In the box, you also get you got the PCB kit, of course. You also get a switch puller and a keycap puller. You also get this PCB spacebar modular thing, and you also get a USB Type-C cable. For the switches, I'm using KailBox Reds. These are a linear switch that require 45 grams of force to actuate. I decided to go with KailBox switches because they were the only ones that I saw that had clear backing, so the other ones had like black backings that wouldn't let RGB through. And since the GK61 PCB kit has RGB, I wanted to let it glow, so I decided to go with these KailBox Reds. Out of the package, they feel pretty good, but I'm still going to be lubing them. Alright, and I'm done. So I did a lot of it off camera because the lubing took a really long time, but I think it turned out really well. All the switches are lubed pretty well, and yeah, so let's move on to the keycaps. Finally, for the keycaps, I have this set that I picked up from Amazon. These are cherry profile side printed PBT keycaps, and these guys look awesome. They come in a 104 key layout, but I only have 61 keys, so I'll only be using the top layer. And these guys look really cool. I really like the look of side printed keycaps. So anyway, let's put these on. Alright, and here is the final product. I'm really happy with the way this build turned out. It looks super dope, and also with RGB as well. But personally, I like the look of the keyboard with no RGB. It delivers a super retro look, and I really like that. I really like these keycaps. I really like the side print, because I like the look of keycaps with no wording on it, and I kind of suck at typing, so sometimes I need to look at the words, so this is the closest I can get to that. And when you're looking at it from the top, you really can't see the words, so I really like that look. But anyway, let's get on to the best part, the typing test. So as you can see from the sound test, this keyboard sounds awesome. The looped Killbox red switches sound great, and it's also a lower pitched keyboard, and I actually really like lower pitched sounds when typing on a keyboard, and this keyboard delivers that. So for the typing test, I really like this. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Once again, I love the way this keyboard turns out. It looks awesome. And all the parts are in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.